Welcome student. In this numerical, the EMF of a cell, that is EMF of a cell is equal to 12 volt and internal resistance. So internal resistance is equal to 2 ohm and external resistance R is equal to external resistance is equal to 4 ohm. Find terminal potential difference. Before deriving the terminal potential difference, before doing this sum, let us derive the relationship between V and small r. See, when we apply, suppose this is NP, Q, R, yes, for applying Kirchhoff law. See, before doing this problem, you must know Kirchhoff's voltage law and Kirchhoff current law so that it will be easy for analyzing this circuit. So, since this is a battery, current will flow like this, I, then I. We apply Kirchhoff law. Kirchhoff voltage law. Kirchhoff voltage, that is delta V is equal to 0. It means we move from P to Q, Q to R, R to S, S to P again. So when we move from here to here, here to here the potential drop across this external resistance is equal to I into R. I into R, that is current into resistance. Since this is current is flowing this way, this is positive. Current is flowing this is positive, this is negative. This is positive, this is negative. Again from here to here, again we are coming positive to I into R, because current is flowing from here to here, higher potential to lower potential, positive, negative, positive potential drop. From here to here, we are coming across negative of EMF is equal to 0. Then we are back here. So now what is IR? See, if you take, this is the terminal potential difference. Why we call it terminal potential? Between E, this is point E, this point, this terminal, there is an internal resistance and this is point B. So the potential difference between these 2 points is terminal potential. The potential between the 2 terminals of the battery is called terminal potential difference. But in circuit diagram, this we take it outside and we represent like this. So it means this is terminal potential V. So terminal potential, how to draw terminal potential now? Terminal, see, from this equation we can write, since I into R, what is I into R? This is V. This is also V, because whatever from here, whatever potential is available, same potential is available. That is terminal potential is equal to voltage drop across the external resistance, which is equal to I into R. So we can write V is equal to, we can write V is equal to I into R. V is equal to I into R. It means the potential drop across this point is equal to terminal potential difference, or I. First let us find out I. I is equal to total EMF divided by resistance. Resistance is R plus R. Why? Because this total resistance R and R in series, so this is the total resistance and EMF is equal to this much. So I is equal to R into R. So we can find out I into R, we can represent V is therefore terminal potential difference is equal to E minus IR from the equation. So we can write the equation terminal potential difference is equal to I into R. Also terminal potential is equal to EMF of the battery minus potential drop across the internal resistance. So let us find out I. Since I is equal to sigma by R plus R. So I is equal to, what is the EMF of the EMF is equal to 12 volt divided by R plus R is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 12 by 6. Therefore, I is equal to 2 ampere. I is equal to 2 ampere. Now, the current through this is equal to 2 ampere. We have find out. Now, V is equal to, this is one expression for the terminal potential difference, that is potential difference between the ends of the, between two ends of the battery cell. Two terminals is called terminal potential difference, which is also is equal to I into R. Since V is equal to I into R, we can I into R is equal to EMF minus potential terminal potential difference, or R is equal to E minus V by I. And I, what is I? I is equal to V by R. So we can write sigma minus V divided by I is equal to V by R. Our internal resistance is equal to sigma V by V into R. This is the value of internal resistance. So value of internal resistance is equal to internal resistance R is equal to sigma V divided by V into R, where V is the terminal potential difference between the terminals, R is the external resistance, small r is the internal resistance of the cell. So now let us find out. We have already calculated I is equal to 2 ampere. We can also calculate what is the value of I, V. We have written sigma, that is EMF minus potential drop across R. So what is potential drop? Potential drop across internal resistance equal to I into R is equal to I is equal to 2 ampere, R is equal to 2 ohm is equal to 4 volt. It means here it drops 4 volt. 4 volt is dropped. What is the potential drop across this external resistance is equal to I into R is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8 volt, because R is equal to 8 volt. So here potential drop is equal to 8 volt. 8 volt is dropped. Now we can find out terminal potential difference is equal to total EMF minus drop across the internal resistance, that is 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 volt. As it is, we have find out V. See, what is V is equal to IR? V, potential drop across the external resistance, also is equal to 8 volt. So which is also equal to 8 volt. It means the potential drop across the internal resistance is 4 volt. The potential drop across this external resistance is equal to 8 volt, which is also equal to terminal potential difference, which is equal to 8 volt. That is 12 volt minus 4 volt is equal to 8 volt. We can calculate in any one of the given way. So this is the formula. If you are knowing this formula, we can easily calculate in the competition examination.